Good afternoon, students. Wish you a warm welcome for the online classes. Best PU College, Ballari. Let me introduce myself. My name Rahman. I am teaching biology. Biology, specifically botany, which comes under study of plants. I am associated with this institution approximately 9 years, and most Ballari, they were well acquainted to me because I worked in this Ballari in some other colleges also. So our duty is students once after the completion of their 10th standard, maybe it is a CBSE or ICSE, or our duty to train them in biology. And first thing I wish to mention is a student after passing his or her 10th standard in the respective course ICSE or CBSE, first attitude should be to make some what we call target or aim or idea what they have to become in future. To the best of my knowledge, and nook and corners of the state or throughout our country, most of the students who passed 10th standard, they have not questioned. Most of the students, they have not questioned by their parents or by their teachers what you are going to become in future. What is your aim or what is your sum? It is not interest. What is your aim? What is your target? What is your goal? What you want to become in future? So almost 90%, 82% of the student who crossed 10th standard without having this idea, without having this aim, without target, without any calendar, without any timetable, without any direction and dimension, just they have entered into some PUC subject, PUC courses. Most of the students, out of the 100%, most of the students compulsory. Why? Because education is a part of the human life. Everybody who has taken birth, he or she has to study. It is not, we are not in the bygone period, old era, new generation. Every student seeks education, that too minimum education, up to degree or up to, in between technical courses or professional courses. Here the question is, for every student, not only throughout the country, Indian continent, corners of the villages, schools are there. Everybody standard based upon their talent, their work, their nature of understanding the subject and representing the subject, they are able to get their ranks or marks 30%, 40%, 50%, 60%, 70, 80, 90, more than 90. And to the best of my knowledge, my dear students, during this period of learning, most of the schools, most of the cases in Indian continent, a process of teaching, whether teaching is good or not, whether it is up to the mark, up to the level or not, if student is understanding classroom or not, but every teacher wants to train up the child, parent or teacher or HM or principal of that particular school, to make them by heart the subject. The process of learning here up to 10th standard, to the best of my knowledge, my dear students, by hearting the subject in order to recall, total recall, recapitulate, thinking, reading and orally drilling. For example, some students may be poor learners, which are called slow learners. All of a sudden, they cannot understand a class within 45 minutes of time or 50-hour time. Maybe the strength of the classroom based upon its dimensions, more may be there, crowded, or indifferent students may be there, may not be of same static mind, different understandings, different mental conditions. Some are good, some are bad. Bad in sense, not that much intelligent to listen. And 45 minutes to sit in front of a teacher and without any movement, how many of students will do this? You can question yourself. Whenever any classroom is, when class is going on any subject, teacher, maybe madam or sir, you observe yourself in your classroom, how many are having attention to listen clearly. So if you enter into a movie, you can see, want to listen means you have to attention. Simply by discussing others, you can't listen the movie, can't see the movie, you cannot enjoy the movie. In the same way, this is not movie. Class, different diversified subject, physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics, English, Hindi, Sanskrit, Kannada. So different subjects, different rhythms of teaching, different modulations of different types of teachers, may be able to teach well and good, maybe normally teaching and going, may not be taking interest on the students, may not be watching the students' movements in the class, whether who is listening to the class, who is not listening to the class, and within this, he cannot control, because if he goes on controlling, from here or there, something will rise. So total class will happens. Most of the schools, to the best of my knowledge, this is my 32nd year teaching experience. As a lecturer, starting from the 10th standard students, PUC, intermediate students, and even for MSc and BEd students in my career. So I have seen the psychological movements of the students, comparing with the psychological movements of the teachers, standards of the teachers. This much of standard of teacher, can he teach to a lower standard students or not? This much standard of teacher, can he teach to higher standard? It all depends upon the interaction between teacher, student and the subject concerned. It means, generally, whenever I used to ask, I've seen some students who faced me when I asked them which subject you wish to take, see, whether science or commerce, they have given preference to science. Very good. In science, again, subjects are there. PCMB, PCMC. Again, when it was asked, most of the students, they have sciences with biology background, PCMB combinations, most of them. And a general tendency of the students also. Here, my dear students, for example, a student passed with normal marks, 50% marks. A student passed with 90% marks. What is the difference? Best of my knowledge, up to 10th standard, there is no difference. 90% student might have worked well, 50% student might not have worked well. Here, what is meant by worked well and what is not worked well? Some type of stimulation might have given to the 90% student. Some type of methodology, some type of timetable, some type of parents, teachers, something might have made that student to learn. Learning means not only studying, watching the class, listening the class without any movement, watching, listening with the help of ear, eyes, and keeping it in the memory files, storing. So even if a student is watching properly, even if is listening properly, there is no impairing in the watching or ear, but not means it depends upon the nature of the human being, organism, boy or girl. So for this, there is no need of worry. It can be cured by continuous systematic process. A systematic process which a school teacher, especially science teacher, they have to teach in the schools. By mistake or unfortunately, if a student fails this education in the school level, at least he enters into a college. Which college? A good college where teachers can teach everything. Where teacher can stimulate. He will give nourishment to your brain tissues, brain cells, body cells, nerve cells. Arc. By listening, you have to keep your toes. What is going on? If anybody is going, you are not about to see there, you have to stop your movements and make the other students also to see. Why all these things? My dear students, up to 10th standard, competition is only class level or school level. Village, if any, or district level. If extraordinary performance shown by any student, state level. So after result, students will be acknowledged with 97, 98, 99% or highest out of 625, 624. Out 623. That. So based upon your marks issued by ICSE or CBSE or state board, those achieve highest marks, they will be acknowledged. Here, that level of competition, and this competition is from the textbook knowledge. So the knowledge of a particular student, it has originated, taken out from the textbook. A particular subject, biology for example. When a teacher is teaching photosynthesis for example, or cell the unit of life, transport in plants, absorption of water, transpiration, or chemical coordination of plants as you have studied in ICSE. Same subject will be there in PUC. The difference is, here from the textbook knowledge, this knowledge a student acquire by teachers. Analytical approach of the teacher, or from the textbook knowledge they will prepare a material in a simplest way, in the form of a story. Everybody can understand that. And from when question and answers, very short answer questions, medium questions, long answer questions, diagram oriented questions, true and false, right or wrong, or any choice type of question. Mostly within that lesson, within that subject, by the talent of the teacher and by the activity of the student to sit there for 45 minutes, and after that reaching home or sitting in the study hours to master that. I have already announced whether that student might have listened well or not. Those who will listen, they will complete the reading part within. The student who has not listened well, for them it will take difficult to understand every sentence. Then they are considered as poor learners, slow learners. Gradually what happens? Day by day, accumulation of this slowness. Teacher is not going to stop him. He is not going to check who is slow learner, what to do, remedial teaching for him. Until he learn, we will stop teaching to this. No. Teacher will go on. The learner will be learning fastly, slow learner will be automatically, even a good student fails to get less marks. Okay. The knowledge of textbook, state level, student acquire either from the materials, question banks, or all in one, various guides, what we call material banks. The more you are going to study, read, the more marks you are going to get. and you will represent your class, top in the class, or top scorer of the school, or topper in the district level, first, second, third, or topper in the state level. So up to here, my dear students, up to 10th standard, subject, and on the subject, lesson given, chapter, unit, performance of the student by answering questions. Question is, concept is, question will be there and answer will be there. Only duty of the student and teacher is, teacher has to teach that, student has to catch it, question and answer, question and answer. If 100 questions are there in a lesson, those who will read all the 100 questions, they will get 100 out of 100. Those who will write all the questions, 100 out of 100. Those who will read only 50 or only 60, only 70, cannot read some 20 or 30 based upon their, that is called the memory files, the feedback of their memory, what they have listened, what they have studied, they have to represent in the form of paper. For example, a short answer question, maybe 100 or 200 words, long answer questions, 1 mark question. So here, the captivity of the mind, a particular lesson is subjected to the student's mind. Lesson, teacher taught, it was available in the material. Yes, question banks are there. So any question in that lesson, in that subject, masters, he will be the topmost student. So every student who is doing well, they can show their talent in the class level or school level, village level, district level or state level. And here the concept, again I am repeating, my dear students, most important concept. The question and answer present in the textbook, in the material, in the guides or some other question banks. But after passing the 10th standard, you entered into PUC, pre-university course, college. Here, when you decided to take some science subjects like PCMB or PCMC, most of the students, they want to go for PCMB. If a question comes, why? One student given me answer, I asked him what you wish to take. He said, I want to go for computer, sir. See, how much marks you got? I got 93 or 92, he said. When you are having this much of marks, why you are having that decision of taking PCMB when so many people are going for PCMB? Interested, sir. My dear student, first question, what is interest? The first question a parent has to ask the teacher, student, a teacher has to ask the student, mother or father, any relations or friends, a student itself asks himself, what is meant by interest? If any student knows the meaning of interest, there is a possibility that every student can be and his own future in front of his eyes. Eyes are having their interest. Nose is having its interest. Tongue is having its interest of taste. Ears are having their interest. Body, skin is having its interest. Body, physiological is having their interest. Mind is not having interest. Mind, human body, student body, work with the mind, subject, science, mind, career, prospectus, future, what to do, what is a novel, career, normal career. So, what is the importance of a particular technically skilled person in the society? So, you have to, this 10th standard level, having all these, but simply he has given me this word, I am not interested with that, sir. Again I asked him, what is meant by interest? You ask to your teachers, your parents. You question yourself, I will give you 1 week time to give me answer, what is meant by interest. So, since years, in the schools, maybe the unfortunate thing of the teachers or their mentors, parents, or the friends, every student, generation has been changed. No, see, once upon a time student, after passing 10th standard, with their parent, they used to go to various colleges to get admission. Whichever is good college, which is good teacher there, what is its record, how many ranks are there, how many first classes, how much the fame, in the importance of that college and that particular teacher. They used to go here and there, not only in one village, other district, or far away from their house to some state headquarters like Bangalore, seeking admission. See, my dear students, how time has, because of this sensitive period, because of sensitivity of these viral infections, teacher instead of student, teacher has come down to teach even in the absence in front of a camera, which is termed as online classes. Why? What is the need for the teacher? For the sake of money? No. Teacher is doing his duty. He has duty. Even in the presence of students or absence of students. I has taken oath to train my students, to whomsoever it is concerned. Has to teach. It is his duty. In the same way, student has to learn or read or study where? In a particular good college. Question comes, what is a good college? See here interest regarding PCMC and PCMB, I will explain this. I am going to give you what is interest and how many interest you have to. I have given examples. Eyes are having interest, nose is having interest, tongue is having interest, ears. I am not going to listen to gossips. I want to listen to a good story. I want to see good flowers or something. I don't want to see bad things. If TV, some serials are coming or movie is coming, some bad things are going on. Interest of the eyes, interest of the body. So here, how it is not understood by the student simply. So first identify the interest. Before that, when you are going to enter, put one goal or target or some future consideration. We don't want to become losers or less. We want to think always rich, greater. Yes, every student has. I am not going to say it is a positive attitude or negative attitude. The attitude, the approach and rapport of the student with his own life, own body, own school, class, parents. Yes. Why should my parents have to make me to wake up in the morning? I have to wake up early in the morning because I have to read. I have to go to the school. On time I have to get dressed. I have to bath. I have to take breakfast. On the spot I have to go to the bus to catch the. If I am not doing any of this, things, I will miss the school. If student will get this, every student, my dear students, every talented student. So I am not going to discuss about this. First, a student has to get goal. With that goal or something, I used to ask this question to every batch of students. Student is allowed to go to the bus station. His parents asked him to go to bus station. Yes, to bus station. Why student is going to bus station? To watch the buses, to count the buses, how many buses are there? No. Whenever a student is going to bus station, it means he has to go to some. In search of a particular suitable bus, he is going to bus station. Simply, he is not going by walk to see the bus station. How many lights are there, how many chairs are there sitting, how many people are there to count. In the same way, whenever a 10th pass student wants to join in high UC, he has to decide something. And even in the first year, middle of the first year and middle of the second year PU, most of the students, when a question comes like this, what is your attitude, what is your, so not a decided thought. So it is pity, my dear students, the generation has been changed. Mechanical life, routine life has been changed. So we this type of situation in our country, our world, this situation arises. So we have changed a routine form of life into another form of life. Classes. Here, student, after parting 10th standard, he has to away from the textbook knowledge, that is what student acquire in the teacher's class. It means there in the textbook and answer also there in the textbook up to 10th standard. And when PUC comes, My dear students, when PUC if you enter, lesson will be there, subject, biology, mathematics, chemistry, physics, a lesson in the form of chapter, maybe it is a cell or bio, photosynthesis or something, chemical coordination or something, photosynthesis for example. They will teach a paragraph. In this paragraph, some notes will be there. And this paragraph will be there in the 10th standard also. And questions will be of 1 mark, short, medium, long answers questions. You have to describe that diagram, explanation, writing, sentences, words, sentences, this much pages. But in PUC, apart from this, additional questions will be given. Those questions are called objective type of questions. Generally, up to 10th standard, some students might have had experience of answering objective type of questions, which is of simple. But in PUC, the level of test only from the textbook, subject matter from the talent is state, not only state level, national level, because if you are selecting PCMB, biology will be there, and most of the students who selected PCMB, they will put in coming future I have to become a doctor, which is noble profession. If you want to become a doctor, you have to write level examination, which is called NEET. What is this examination? Earlier days, this exam is under 24 types of examinations. APMT, CPMT, PMT, AIMS, JIPMER, AFMC, Wadla College, Joint Entrance Test. Some examinations were there at national level. If any student want to become a doctor, noble profession, respected by everyone, he has to pass through this. When he wants to pass through this, he has to face not 100 or 200 students of our section, not 500 or 1000 students of state, lakhs of students present in the. When you have to face lakhs of students, it is nothing but battle. For that battle, in the beginning of the first PUC, in the first classes, you have to get that rhythm, you have to catch the rhythm, you have to maintain your dignity. What dignity? Dignity of a student. The love towards a particular subject. That automatically, it draws the attention of the student to listen that subject. Automatically, once you frame something in your mind, yes, I have to become one day number one, I have to become. This type of thinking, most of the students may not be having this idea, they may not be getting their mind, they are not their minds to understand this. Why? Because here, objective type of question from the paragraph, normally they will ask every sentence and 4 options will be given. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 sentences, 5 questions. After that, if you thoroughly study this, you can answer all these. Next, they will combine first sentence with the 4th sentence. They will create one question. Second sentence with the 3rd sentence, one question. Sentence with last. So multiples. 5 into 5. T5. So only 5 sentences are there in that lesson, in that chapter, for example, in the form of a paragraph, a story. Up to 10th standard, going to do, they are going to ask descriptive question, 1 mark question or long, short. Easy, you can understand, because it is there, they will ask the same question. The more you study, they will get the answer. But here, objective type in national level examinations, to ask you what we call straight questions. They will ask you twisted questions, means based upon the concept, they will create a question. So question only will be there, answer will not be found in the 5 sentences. The tendency of the student, what is the answer? How, if they were trained, they are in a position to answer. If they have not trained, they could not, never. Even 1 week if you sit, you will not get answer. So this is called conceptual teaching. Conceptual teaching means upon the concepts of the lesson or subject, various formats of questions, n-dimensional questions, creating, depending on the teacher, experience of the teacher. To listen all these concepts without any disturbance, without tilting, even watching this side, that 45 minutes, attention, cricket match, when it is seriously going, last overs, last runs. Can you disturb yourself without seeing this? No. If you create a mindset, how it can be possible? If you join in a good college, if you have commemorate everything, surrender your mental conditions, body conditions to any teacher, then only it is possible. And every student, to the best of my knowledge, my dear students, all these years, we have trained to hundreds of, especially in Karnataka, in Ballari itself, in our VIMS itself, my students are there, some hundreds of students are there. Throughout Karnataka, hundreds of, from here to Bangalore up to, Bangalore Medical College to Ballari VIMS, Vijayanagara Institute of Medical Sciences, throughout the Karnataka. So what my duty, our duty in our college, to train the student based upon his mental standard. What is her past? What is her education? 98%. Yes, I have taken a class. I have given a simple question. This I asked a question, but the student is thinking, face getting stress. And I used to ask the student, hey, how you got 98%? Literally, I am telling, fair, without any. I used to ask, how you got 98%? When you fail, automatically, if the student is a genuine student, the student definitely becomes sensitive. If any other, I used to ask, maybe any other student who is having only 75 or 80%, that student may give that answer. It means the student is great, this student is, it's not that. Mind understanding capacity. In a section, if 50, 60 or 70, 40 to 70 students are there, when a single teacher is standing and taking a lesson, of 5 to 10 minutes, or after completion of complete lesson, when you start asking question, first question, what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is a process of synthesis of food material in the presence of sunlight with the help of carbon dioxide, water molecules, chlorophyll chemicals. Plants are called primary producers. Okay. What is happening? What are the elements? Raw elements, they will ask question. Carbon dioxide, water. What are the chemical? Chlorophyll. Where this chlorophyll is present? In the leaves and every in the plant. Oh. How plant is taking carbon dioxide? Process of, whenever spermata opens, acid goes inside, water, oxygen comes out. Or water will comes out in the form of that. When a question on a particular topic like photosynthesis, what is the definition of photosynthesis? Maximum positive created by the teacher, a good student can answer. But they are not going to answer these questions, which is up to 10th standard. What they will ask? They will ask, during photosynthesis, radiant energy or what energy transduction. If set is good, a brilliant student, clever student, topper of a class, or already is having some idea, awareness about these competitive examinations, they will give. Otherwise, simply the sunlight's energy is Nothing but radiant energy. Radiant energy, which is directly cannot be taken by other organisms except this radiant energy is trapped and converted into energy radiant energy. Radiant energy means energy of the radiations. Radiations are in the form of particles and waves, particulate matter and waves. So the radiation of particles are called photons, which consists of energy called quantum. That quantum energy is trapped and converted into chemical energy and stored in the form of food as potential energy. That food is called carbohydrate or starch or glucose. Now question comes, sir, what is potential energy? The energy available in the plant. Then this is the story generally they will give in the text. It's well and good. We will read well and then they will ask what is the first form of potential energy concept. The lesson in the lesson it is not given. Only they will create questions. So the radiant energy is trapped, converted into ATP, NADPH2. These are called the radiant energy is converted into the first form of is called ATP during light reaction. You might have studied, my dear students. In photosynthesis, two reactions are there, light reaction. Like this, ATP and NADP heat is the first radiant energy which is converted into chemical, and this is converted into food during carbon dioxide fixation, that is dark reaction. This is responsible to fix the carbon dioxide into food. The food is called potential energy, which is in the form of chemical energy. Then our question constitutes, what is energy transduction? Whenever every plant, every leaf is having this food, it is a living organism made up of cells. And every cell shows respiration. Living organisms properly respiration. During respiration, it will take oxygen and release carbon dioxide. Whenever the cells of the plant are taking oxygen, releasing carbon dioxide, this oxygen acts on the food, potential energy to break and liberate. Kinetic energy. Kinetic energy means active form of energy which is liberated during respiration. The process of conversion of energy from one form to other form is called energy transduction. Energy neither be created nor energy can change from one form to. So the biology mixed with laws of thermodynamics. Chemical equations. When same photosynthesis, 6 CO2, 12 H2O in the presence of sunlight, chlorophyll, C6, H12, O6, and with some exception water, 6O2, which is liberated. The total photosynthesis is represented here. Carbon dioxide, water, light, chlorophyll molecule, glucose. Oxygen is liberated as by the all oxygen, total oxygen which is existing on the surface of the earth for the life of all other animals. This is the source. So this is important. Photosynthesis is important for two processes. Like this, the first process is formation of the food, second process is liberation of the oxygen. And every other organism has to depend upon plant for this food. That's why they are called primary producers. and they were the responsible structures to liberate the oxygen, without which there is no life on the surface of the earth. So, in 10th standard, my dear students, even if they were not explaining all these, same subject will be carried out. It depends upon your interest. More interest, more timing to study the and well, to do well, definitely all hundreds, thousands, throughout country, how many botany lectures will be there? In Ballari, how many teachers are there? In Karnataka, how many are there? Throughout country. What they will teach, everybody has to teach this NCERT book. It depends upon the dimension of teaching, the way, how think, thought, how he will deliver the class, how he will make the student to listen the class well. A question will come like this, what happens? Student, yes. If a question comes like this, and the same concept, because different teachers, different questions from the same lesson. And who is the winner? Student is the winner, whoever answer all the questions. All the best, we will see. I hope I have not bored you and I have not started anything else. I have not started anything else. I want to see you as introductory class. A student has to sprout his own, he should be free from the mental illness, he should be free from interest, vagara, all these things. He has to develop some property of the innate property of the student has to come out. It has to be ignition. How we will give starting ignition 1 or 2 times to start a vehicle, like that teacher has to start. Definitely, to the best of my knowledge, we will do all these things in our college. I hope you enjoy the class. All the best.